So this is a modeling problem, and we know that we've got an equation for linear modeling, y equals mx plus b. And so there were 230 meters of pipe. So that's where we're starting. Sorry, 2,300 meters of pipe. Maintenance crews have been fast at work repairing leaking pipe at a rate of 25 meters per year. So that means we are actually decreasing the number 25 meters per year, so we know it's linear. And y would be the number of pipes, or the number of meters of pipe. And so they say, in what year would we have less than 1,000 meters? So that means we could substitute 1,000 in for this y. And now all we need to do is solve for x. So we could start by subtracting 2,300 on both sides. When we do, we would have negative 25x equals negative 1,300 meters of pipe, and so we'll divide by negative 25 on both sides. The negatives will cancel out, and so x equals 52. Well, 52 is the years. There's no 52 here. But we realize that when we go back and read the problem, it says in 2014. So this was all based on the year 2014. So we're going to take 2014 and we're going to add that 52 years on top. So that's the year 2066. So it's going to take that long to get down to only 1,000 meters of leaking pipe left.